In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Word document. Sharing documents has become an essential skill in our digital age, whether for collaborative work, school projects, or simply passing information. Microsoft Word, a cornerstone of the document creation ecosystem, incorporates a straightforward method to share your documents, ensuring your information reaches your intended recipients securely and quickly. Let's dive into the process. Firstly, start by accessing your Microsoft Word application. You'll begin this journey from the most familiar place on your Windows computer, the Start menu. Click on the Windows Start menu and you'll find yourself at the gateway to all applications on your computer. It's the first stepping stone to accessing Word's myriad of features, including sharing. Once you're in the Start menu, proceed by typing Word in the search bar. Typing here filters through all the applications and system settings, making it faster to find what you're looking for. As you type, Windows dynamically displays the results, making it easier to spot the Microsoft Word application among the list of suggestions. After you've found Microsoft Word in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action opens the program, welcoming you to Microsoft Word's interface, familiar yet always ready to reveal something new. Here, countless documents have been brought to life, from the simplest of letters to the most complex reports. With Microsoft Word now open, navigate your way to the Word home. This could mean opening an existing document you wish to share, or starting with a blank canvas. The home screen serves as your command center, from where you can manage documents and access advanced features of Microsoft Word. Don't hesitate to open any document or select a blank document if you're starting afresh. Now, to the core of today's lesson, sharing your document. When at the home screen or within an open document, look for the Home tab at the top of your screen. Once found, direct your attention to the right side of the screen and click Share. This button is your gateway to collaborating on documents, allowing you to invite others to view or edit your work. Upon clicking Share, Microsoft Word prompts you to add the name, group, or email of the persons you wish to share the document with. This step is crucial. It defines who has access to your document. Here you can type in individual email addresses, or if you're working within an organization that utilizes Microsoft 365 or Office 365, you might find groups or the names of individuals you frequently collaborate with. Either way, adding this information correctly ensures that only the intended recipients can access your document. Throughout this process, remember a few key tips to enhance your sharing experience. First, consider the permission level you wish to grant your recipients. Microsoft Word allows you to choose whether recipients can edit the document or only view it. This choice is crucial in controlling how your document can be altered by others. Secondly, for a more collaborative experience, consider using the Comments feature in Word to leave notes and feedback for each other directly within the document. Finally, remember the power of version history in Word. You can always review past editions of the document, an invaluable feature when multiple people are contributing to a single document. In summary, sharing a Microsoft Word document is a simple process, starting from the moment you click on the Windows Start menu to when you type and select Microsoft Word, navigate to the Word home, and eventually click Share to add the names or emails of your intended recipients. By following these steps and utilizing the tips provided, you'll find that sharing documents not only becomes an effortless task, but also a gateway to more productive and collaborative endeavors. Thank you for watching today's video on sharing a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're sharing vital work documents, collaborating on the next big project, or simply sharing your latest creative writing piece, Microsoft Word's sharing feature ensures that your documents reach their intended audience efficiently and securely. Happy sharing!